Well, hi everyone, and welcome back. As you can see, I've got my fuel bottle, alkaline petrol in there, a priming bottle. I won't be using the paste today, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill up the stove in preparation for tomorrow when I'll be firing it up, just to let the wick soak it all up. Incidentally, today is exactly a year since my accident, which gave rise to me having the time and the inclination to start this channel to give me something to do. How's that? A little bit more. I'm not going to be talking about this today or tomorrow. I'll maybe make another video about that if anybody's interested. Okay. A different funnel. I got a service kit from Ukraine, and it came with this. Also had a very handy instruction book translated from Russian, and all the pips for the PRV and seals for here. So this doesn't fire up. I'll be starting to fettle it using these. Anyway, that's all for tomorrow. Oops. We're all filled. We're all ready to go. My name is Ewan, and this is Broken Back Mountains. Okay everyone, it's the next day. We're outside and we've got the old soft stove ready to go. Got a bottle of alcohol for priming. I won't use the priming paste today, and we'll just get everything ready. Just get in the habit of always unscrewing the lid, just in case there has been a bit of pressure. I seem to have trouble getting this on. Never mind. Turned off. And priming bowl is well full now. So I do have a fire blanket just in case, because I don't know what this will do. There it goes. It's starting to heat up anyway. And we'll see if we can get pressure. If not, it's back to the drawing board and start replacing seals. Well, we're getting a bit of a flame. Just let it go. Pulsing. Maybe I hadn't had the valve in the right position. We'll let it heat up. The main thing is it isn't flaring. But it's the first time this has been fired up in 32 years. Bit of a yellow flame so far. Let's see what happens when we adjust it. So that's down. There we go. At least it's not flaring up on me. Just find the sweet spot. Turn it down and it goes yellow. And that'll be towards the cleaning needle. It's giving off a nice bit of heat now. It definitely needs a windshield. Okay, so we'll turn it to where I think the needle is, and that will put the needle through it, and then this should turn it off. And there you have it, folks. First firing up of this stove. It's 32 years old, never been used, and it is working now. I'm happy with that. It will have burnt out any impurities from the manufacturing. Well, there might even have been some old fuel in it from manufacturing process. Yeah, this one's a goer. We'll let it cool down, and I'll give you some stats that I got in the translated instruction manual. Bye for now.